Seasoners, how we doing today? Welcome to the first episode of my new vlog series, Road to Master Chef. Now, the whole premise behind this vlog series is I've been invited to so many of these competitive cooking competitions and TV shows, and I've declined them all because I feel like my skills are not at a 10, and if I'm gonna go on TV, I wanna compete at a high level and I wanna win the whole thing. In this vlog series, we'll get out of the house, I'll take you along with me, we'll go hunt for ingredients, we'll meet different chefs and new people, we'll make the dish together, we'll plate it, we'll try it. It's gonna be a little adventure that we go on every single episode. So with that being said, today we are making the first recipe and it's gonna be out of Chef Nobu's cookbook. I'll show it to you right now. So the first dish that we are gonna be making is Matsuhisa Shrimp by Chef Nobu. As you can see, we've definitely got some different ingredients that we're gonna have to travel to really cool places in order to acquire. That being said, we're in for a trip today. Let's get the cooler. Before we go, what did you just say?
I said I wish I could come with you.
Well, why don't you?
You're making me look like a slob right now, but I'm working, look. See, we're working.
Hey,
and I have to plan my content for the week.
We'll have some Matsuhisa shrimp for dinner. All right, so some of you might be curious what the cooler is for. Well, we're gonna need to grab some cold ingredients and they're gonna have to stay cold, and I don't wanna have to drive back and forth to the house. Also, we are on our way to our first stop. Super exciting. We are going to a restaurant called Pont, and we are going to pick up some Ostra caviar from our boy Tyler, and we're gonna get an exclusive tour of the back of the restaurant, so let's go. Look, we're here. We are at Pont Modern America. Very beautiful restaurant, and we are here to grab the Ostra caviar. I can't buy it anywhere in any store, so luckily we've got a plug. My friend Tyler works here, and he's gonna hook it up, and we are going through the back instead of the front. Exclusive stuff. Yes, sir. What's going on, my boy? How are you, bro?
Come on in.
Bro. All right, here we go through the back.
Set up.
Get set up for the night.
So you in the secret spot where you can lock things up.
Oh, a double door.
Double door.
Double
This is the
door.
back door.
Okay, the back door.
So we got 'em set
You're
up,
just
right?
what we came for, man.
Exactly.
What do we got, man? You got some Ostra for us?
Yeah, most of these you got the Osetra.
Osetra. I've been saying it wrong the whole time.
So we've got the Osetra Royale.
Okay.
Also got the Osetra Imperial.
Now, if this is going with shrimp, which one do you recommend?
Both would be great.
Okay.
Either one, but we're gonna give you the Imperial today.
So I asked them what else they would want to show us, and they said the dry agers are the thing to see. Wow, look at that.
Up here's kind of more of our experimental rack. This is kind of what we just play around with. Like
Sure.
right up here, we have some nice tomahawks.
Absolutely.
At the far top left is a Japanese A5 Wagyu.
Appreciate you, bro. We got the Osetra caviar. First ingredient on the list down. Pont Modern America.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate you, big
Of course,
dog.
man.
Yes, sir. Next stop on the list is the Versace Shrimp Company, not Versace. Basically, they are a shrimp boat company and they go out every day and catch fresh shrimp. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm not kidding. I'm like 8 minutes outside of downtown and I had no idea Tampa had all this shrimp stuff. This is crazy. Versace Shrimp Company. Walking in, and we got some fresh shrimp being processed right here. What's going on, sir? How are you? Look at that. This just came off the boat. That is fresh. So check this out. This is the shrimp boat right here. What I'm looking at, I have no idea, but these are obviously the shrimp nets that all the shrimp is caught in. This is sick. What's up, buddy? How far out do they go?
We leave out of here and they head down towards the Tortugas, just off of Key West. They get located and they stay for about a month.
How many shrimp do you like pull in per boat?
Oh boy, they hold, about 20,000 pounds a boat on average.
So this is the freshest shrimp I'm gonna get.
That's it, man. Yeah, these are all freezer boats. So the night the catch is caught, it's frozen on board.
All right, and this is what we've got, the full head on shrimp, because we're gonna have to deep fry that head later. Thank you, Versace Shrimp Company. Y'all are amazing. Second ingredient, we got it. Before we jump into the next ingredient, I wanna talk about what the owner told me when I turned the cameras off. He was basically expressing to me that right now we are importing so much shrimp that companies in America won't buy shrimp that are shrimped by Americans. The shrimp that we import that are coming from these other countries, he's like, they grow them in these disgusting ponds. They fill them with medicine and hormones and all kinds of stuff. And he said, you're basically paying for a garbage product. I think it's really sad that our own people are struggling because we're just buying like very, very terrible quality foods and meats and seafoods from other countries. And they got a great product and it deserves to be sold. So just keep that in mind next time you want to go shopping. Our More Seasoning editor just called. We're filming the first series right now.
Oh, that's kind of fire.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
What you cooking today, man?
We're making Matsuhisa shrimp.
Sound complicated, but I'm sure you're gonna look easy.
Yes, sir. Next stop on the list is this Oriental market right here. We are looking for shiso leaf. I have not been able to find it anywhere. We can substitute with mint, but hopefully we can find it here. I've also never been here, so let's see what it looks like. Absolutely. Really cool herbs in here. No shiso, aka Perillia. This looks similar. This is like a lemon balm. And then, like, I've never even heard of that. Ram. Shiitake, oyster. That's a king oyster. You get gnocchis. All right, let's do a little market haul. So we got shrimp chips. Jacqueline loves these. They're amazing. We got the king gyoy, which is like the lemon balm kind of mint type vibe. We also grabbed basil. Now, one of these is going to replace the shiso leaf. These were both recommended, so we're gonna use one of them. And I always like to try different fruits and vegetables. These were labeled as sweet tangerine, but just judging by the rind, I think that these might be different. So, all right, at this point, we can head back to the kitchen and we will start putting this dish together. Let's go. We are back at the house. The whole way home, I'm driving, I'm like, what is that smell? I open these up. I'm not breathing through my nose right now. Oh my God. I literally had to throw the mushrooms outside in the trash. That was awful. In the meantime though, we've got our frozen fresh Gulf shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and defrost these. Let's get it. Cold water, let them thaw. Next, we gotta make clarified butter. All right, so right now we are melting our butter for our clarified butter, and you might be asking, what's the point? Well, the point is it raises the smoke point from 350 to about 450 degrees, which is gonna let us saute or hard sear in flavorful butter versus a neutral oil like avocado oil. We are basically separating the milk solids from the fat, and we will cook in straight fat. Skim the solids off the top. This stuff is what burns. This will not. Next, we gotta make this creamy spicy sauce, which is basically just spicy mayo. You know how to do that. We're gonna pass this chili garlic sauce through a sieve, about a tablespoon's worth. Well, I just spilled rice vinegar all over the place. Final test. Delicious. Next, we got our shrimp. We're gonna take that head off. We're gonna deshell. We've got our shrimp peeled down to the tail. We got the heads right here. We'll fry those off. Now what we have to do is remove the vein, slice the shrimp down, and then hit it with a bunch of fine cuts. That way it doesn't curl up when we cook it. There's my first try at it. I think we got it pretty damn close. We got some fresh shiitake. So all we're gonna do is remove the stem on this guy, and then we're just gonna thin slice this and cook it up. And we're gonna saute the mushrooms in this clarified butter. Also, I don't have any vegetable oil, so I'm gonna just fry the shrimp heads in this afterwards. Beautiful. Oh my God, I'm eating one of the mushrooms right now. So we got our shiso mushrooms that we're gonna pop right on the bottoms. Dab of the creamy spicy. Shrimp head, it's gotta go in. Shrimp are going in the broiler just until opaque. Okay, and in just a few quick moments, these bad boys look done. Look at that. These guys are not, let me show you what they're supposed to look like. Yeah, that's not what it's giving. Let's pull them out. All we gotta do is plate now. We've got our Osetra Imperial and our yuzu. Let's do it. Oh my God, this is all I got for all that money? Now we gotta finish with yuzu. Guys, I think we did a pretty damn good job. Check it out. All right, here's my wife. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's good.
This genuinely tastes like a dish where it's like $50 for just these 4 pieces. Mm-hmm. Is it a dish that I would go and reorder? No. It's a dish that I appreciate, and I'm like, wow, like having those different flavors together is so good.
Yeah.
But being totally honest, I think that if you were to just do your own thing, you would make it taste better. Now I'm like, what are we doing with the caviar? How much was this?
I'm just hoping that this video pays for the caviar. I'm just being honest. $236 for that little can.
It's supposed to pop into your mouth at precisely the right
Pop it, let me see. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the first episode of Road to Master Chef. We took on a famous Nobu recipe, the Matsuhisa shrimp, and I think we did a damn good job at replicating it to the T. If you enjoyed this video and this vlog, and you want to see another episode of Road to Master Chef, it's not sealed in stone, okay? So I might not do one of these if you guys don't like it. Comment down below and let me know. My name is Farnum. This is Road to Master Chef here on More Seasoning. That's my wife.
This is a rotten banana.
And we out. Pow.